Hi, how are you? I hope you are all doing fine today. Let's draw a simple scenery and do the sketches. So we're going to draw a two-storied house, actually the rural house or the village house. But this house is going to be the two-storied, not the single-storied. So you can see the upper story, it's almost done, and lower story it has a longer shade. So I'm just getting the outlines for that one. Okay, so almost done. So these are the doors and the windows on this side too, you can see here. Okay, another window we're going to draw here, and one here and another one here. And these are the lines for the grasses or the tree lines. Okay, so because lots of greeneries around the house in the village, in that case we are drawing the greeneries at the bottom. Okay, so as simple as that. This is the house, and most probably we are going to put a tree on the side of the house just to see that this is a very natural environment. So trees are something like organic shape, very simple tree, and we're putting the ladder Y shape on the top and another tree on this side too. Okay, so you can see the tree just carving and bending in different directions. So there are two trees on top of the house, another tree you can see here. So these are just the branches. All right. So on the shading device we're just putting some texture which is just going through radially from one corner to the another corner, just making variations of the roof tiles. And you can see here on the top floor also we are putting some texture too. So the roof tile is complete, and putting the red color with the pencil for the roof tile, because this is the usual color, and the tiles color usually it becomes red because the production and the most of the houses use it. So that's why this is the mostly useful pattern. So everywhere they're just putting roof tile like this one. So top floor is complete, the upper one. Now doing the color for the bottom one. Okay, these are the quite darker color. All right, so that color is done, and we're going to put the yellow color for the bottom part, just taking the pencil and putting color on the side of the house. Okay, so this is going to be visible in a nice way, and as you follow you can see the instruction. It's very simple and easy and very simple to do. And after putting all the color, this is going to be the one of the nice and good picture here. After completion you are going to see the nice flavor, putting the green color in the bottom. So this is just highlighting the greeneries here, you can see. Okay, so taking another darker color which is just the greeneries on the top portion, you can see, just outlining around the house. So sometimes we make the variations of colors to show the nice environment texture into the painting or into the drawing. This makes a drawing a nice one. Okay, for the trees here at the bottom we're just putting these types of colors, which is the darker yellow. Okay, so two trees complete. Going to the last one. So usually the leaves are green and other parts are you know the dark color pattern of different colors. Just putting the land here. You can see. Okay, so in this case I'm using the crayons. You can see easily. Okay, because the crayon color, it can cover a long area or a bigger area in a very small time. And if you just move your finger, you can see this color. You can mix it up within the canvas. Very smooth and easy. Okay, so the land is done, and now we are going to put the greeneries. So for the darker color tone, we are putting the darker steps at the bottom. So there's a different kind of pencil which is showing the darker green color at the bottom layer and on the side. Okay, and other trees also have the darker color at the bottom. Each part of the segment shows the unit leaves of the trees, which is going to be the shading pattern, and putting the lighter green on the top. So the color variations is almost done. It's because the shades and shadows are directly fallen from the sunshine and from the lighting. Some parts we see darker and some parts we see lighter. And in the back we are going to put some blue color here. So this is going to be the sky. You can see the sky on top. Okay, very nice, very nice. Awesome. So very simple scenery, sky on top and land in the bottom, and you can see the a simple nice village house. So just like the picture, I hope you like it. Do practice at home, and thanks for watching. The more you practice, the better it's going to be. And usually these types of elementary pictures are very useful for the primary level students and for the beginners. If you just see, I'm zooming out and you can see the drawing. It's just have a very nice effect, and you can see the greeneries and the trees here, two-storied house, and within the shading device. And there are some works of perspective here. The tree which is near bigger, which is distance, there's the smaller. Okay, so thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day. See you in our next videos. Thank you so much.